I'm grateful to God for seeing these days. I'm overjoyous. I thank God for allowing me to honor this invitation to see students. We are celebrating 43 years of my relationship with them. In fact, as a matter of fact, I left that school 41 years ago. If anybody tell me I will have this opportunity, I will say no. But what is even more, I just came back from the United States at that time, and I was posted from Ekpe to that school. And what is more, we have a principal that was a very disciplined person, and we imbibe all the values he gave us, and we translated that to the student. My advice was that regardless of your background, if you face your study, sky is the limit. In fact, sky is the beginning, and that's what we are saying today. It's not a relation of whether you have come from a very rich family or even if you come from a humble parentage, you face your study, you will make it in life. And I'm very happy that some of them are generals, head of private and public institutions today.